Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, oh, and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from the dark, cold hotel room. In the endlessness that you feel, you're pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. Hey everybody, won't you be an angel to these animals? But if you want to support the show, you can click the link and become a Patreon supporter. And Patreon supporters get, for $5 a month, you get this cartoon by Lyons. And for $10 a month, you can get this, like, snow on skin. And it's a NanaBOOZHOO coffee table book. And, otherwise, leave us a tip on PayPal. Yeah. All right. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You're pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Oh,
that was beautiful.
yeah.
And by the way, I'm not really Sarah McLachlan. Whatever her name was. BOOZHOO! Hey, baby doll. Well, hello, NanaBOOZHOO. What are you doing here?
I live here.
Well, so do I. Hey, everybody. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. We're coming on, doing an evening show tonight on this prayer day. On this, I might grab this. Good. It is prayer day, Sunday, and we put off doing the radio show to the last minute, so we had to record a radio show this morning, and then went to church, and so the day just kind of got away from us, and so we're doing an evening show, but, you know, whatever, huh?
Yeah.
Anyway, so nice to see you, BOOZHOO Gwen Carly. Gwen Carly's here, sweetie.
Okay, BOOZHOO Gwen. Let's give her a gold star.
Gold star on the board for Gwen. And, Jessica Wabooz. The lovely and the talented Jessica Wabooz is here.
Hey, Jessie, how you doing?
So nice to see you. Let's give her a silver star.
Silver star for Jessica the rabbit.
And Sequoia Hummingbird coming in third, coming in hot. BOOZHOO. And Sequoia says, Mino Onagoshin, good evening. Good evening. That's what vampires say, huh?
Yeah, they do.
That's what the Count says.
He says, good evening.
Bronze star for Sequoia Hummingbird. John from the House of Red Corn. Bonjour, John. Bonjour, Niji.
Hey, John, how you doing?
And Jim Dunn is here. Bonjour, Eileen.
Mino onagoshin, Mr. Dunn. Bonjour, Jim.
And MJ is here. Well, bonjour. The whole family's back together again.
Yep.
So, all right. John says, do we pay extra for night classes? Yeah. It's going to be twice as expensive today. Meaning, what's free times 2? Oh, I guess it's free. Anama A, Gisha good. In the Anishinaabe way, we call Sundays prayer day. And I like what you said about it.
What's that?
You said it probably got started in the boarding school era.
Yeah, that's always been my theory. I think the Indian students probably had to translate the days of the week back into Ojibwe.
Yeah. Like they were like, oh, what do you call this day? Well, it's a prayer day. It's a day we got to go to church. Because I don't know what... I don't know any real Ojibwe words for, oh, it's Sunday. Today's the Sabbath. Or whatever. But today, to get things rolling, rolling on a river. Do. Oh, wait, you know what, sweetie?
What's that?
Since it's prayer day, before we talk about anything, I feel like I should go out and say a prayer.
Should I teleport you out to the mountains?
Yeah, or to the foothills anyway. Can you teleport me to that place? That really beautiful place with the mountain in the background?
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to go outside, put out some tobacco, and say a little prayer before we get started.
All right. Okay, let's see. I'm going to scan for your coordinates.
Yeah, I'm sitting over here.
Yep, okay, there you are. And I'm locking in, and that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. Isn't it working?
I'm trying.
Remember, gotta wiggle the wire.
I'm wiggling the wire.
Push the button.
Push the button, wiggle the wire.
Push and hold the button.
Push and hold the button and wiggle the... Oh, here we go.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is more like it. Bloop.
Okay, hey, bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hi. Did you make it okay?
Yep, I made it out here in one piece.
All right. Well, you give me a call when you want me to pick you up.
Roger that.
Okay, Roger. Over and out.
Over and out. Bloop. So, gonna put out a little tobacco. A little of the Asema tobacco. Get Chimanadu. Otapana niwi Asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Tagawi dukawishin. Please help me. We dukawishin ando minaway nungong. Help me to speak well today. Onagoshin tonight. In this evening. Gashi Gonagoshin or whatever. Miigwech for the beautiful sunset. Bungishimo to sunset. Miigwech ka iji pamadaziyan. Thank you for this life. Dash. Miigwech ka iji kake niwi kashke namoen. Thank you for healing my sadness, my grief. Miigwech ka iji kakina keku ka iji chikea nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Dash miigwech bizandawieg. And thank you for listening. Hape inge. Amen. 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 everybody now. Hey, man. Is that the right song? Love. No, I'm singing deep and wide. Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide, yeah. Anyway, so we're going to talk about Gaga Gay Minawana Gozi winning. I think I said that right. Gaga Gay Minawana Gozi winning. The place of everlasting happiness. I know a lot of people, when they picture going to heaven, they think, oh, it's going to be clouds and pearly gates and streets of gold. They're going to give me a harp, and I'm going to grow big old wings like that moth. and it'll all be good. But I kind of picture the happy hunting grounds. as I was told when I was a little girl. I always picture the happy hunting grounds looking like this. Like we'll wake up from life. When my time comes, I hope it's like I wake up from a dream and I go, oh, that's right. I was living. I was a human being. I was living, and now I'm back in heaven. And it looks like this. It's just a beautiful nature place. When I was a little girl, they used to say Indians went to the happy hunting grounds. And that never made any sense to me. Number one, because I don't like hunting. That didn't seem like such a reward. Oh, I lived a perfect life. I never stole, lied, cheated, killed, or anything. And I got to go to heaven, and they're like, okay, here's your gun. We're going to set you up out here. You know. Quit talking. You're going to scare the deer. But then you wonder, like, if it's happy hunting grounds for people who like hunting, you know, like most Indian men, yeah, sure, they die, they wake up, they're in the happy hunting grounds. They're like, oh boy, I just get to hunt and hunt and hunt. Look at all these deer. There's tons of deer. And they're all fat and slow, and it's easy to hunt. I'm so happy. But what about the deer? Is it heaven for those deer? Or are the happy hunting grounds like hell for deer? And what kind of deer would go to hell? What could they do that would, you know, damn them to hell? You know, were these the evil deer? Were these the deer that, like, cheated on their wives and gambled too much? Were these one of the 7 or whatever reindeer that Santa Claus had on a sleigh? Because everybody knows Santa's deer were evil. You know, Rudolph. I don't mean to sound racist, but Rudolph is the name of a Nazi. You know, there's no two ways about that. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer? Nazi. No. But in the Ojibwe language, I was told that our word for heaven is Catholic. God Misqua Wakogog. No, just kidding. We'll get to that in a minute. Gagagay Minawana Gozi winning. Yeah, actually, this would be known as heaven. And then the other place, the opposite of heaven, is Cass Lake. No offense, Cass Lakers. Gagagay Minawana Gozi winning. The land of everlasting happiness. Heaven. This is where Princess lives. My old kitty. But I like the idea that, you know, there's a couple of different words. I think we called this show The Happy Hunting Grounds or and the Firmament. Because some people go, no, wait, I thought heaven was Ishpeming. Ishpeming, the heavens. And I go, yeah, no, Ishpeming is where the stars live. In the if you say the Lord's Prayer in Ojibwe, it'll begin Nusana Wakwing Abian. Nusana, our Father, Wakwing, who is up, or who's on Abian, heaven. Some people say Abian is where Gitchimanadu lives. Some people think it's on the other side of the Ishpeming, the sky. But then they say, but our souls, when we leave this place, we go to a land of everlasting happiness. And that could just be another way of calling heaven, Abian. But it's interesting that everybody seems, maybe we made it up, I don't know, but every religion kind of has the same feeling, intuition about what happens after you die. And that the final word is, it's going to be okay. Everyone you've known who died, they're happy. You hope. You hope they didn't die and go to Cass Lake. But instead, they're up in the land of everlasting happiness. Gagagay Menawana. So then why do we get so sad when we say goodbye? If we know they're going to a place where they're going to be happy forever. Do we get sad because we don't really believe it? Yeah, okay. I know my grandma had no doubt, but come on. Is it possible that we have a soul that goes to a place that's everlasting happiness? Are we just kind of fooling ourselves, going, yeah, it's going to be okay, quit your crying, Or is it really that way? That's the only thing every religion agrees on, is that, okay, yeah, when you die, you go to a place, it's cool. Quit crying, this isn't it. This is not everything, you guys. But who knows for sure? I don't. I'm just a little girl. When I was young, Gagagay Menawana winning, land of everlasting happiness. And there were birds in the trees. They were singing so happily. Oh, joyfully. Oh, playfully watching me. But here's the line. There are times when all the world would sleep. These questions run so deep for such a simple mind. That's what I feel like. I have these deep questions, but my mind is so simple. Won't you please, please tell me what to know? I know it sounds absurd. Please tell me who I am. Who I am. Do you know who you are? I say, what would you say? They'll be calling you a radical, a liberal, oh, fanatical criminal. Does anybody ever call you a fanatical criminal? Won't you sign up with me? I'd like to be your acceptable. Why do I remember all those lyrics? I can't remember anything. I got the worst memory, except when it comes to song lyrics from the late 70s. Those lyrics, I can remember. Gagagay Menawana winning.
Land of everlasting happiness. Heaven. And whether you follow the red road, the traditional path, or you follow the way of Jesus, everybody agrees it's going to be okay when you get to the happy hunting grounds. Oh, the hunting will be so happy. That's what I'm a happiness hunter. Maybe that's what they mean. You can hunt for happiness. I got my happiness rifle loaded. We're going out happiness hunting. Alright. I guess I'll go back. What up?
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, you want to come home?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
Sure. All right, hang on. I'm gonna scan for your coordinates,
Okay.
and that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
And I'm gonna push the button and hold it while I wiggle this wire.
Okay. Make it so. Hey, nicely done.
Yeah, there, that worked.
There's still a few miles left on that teleporter.
I know.
So, what were you doing?
I was just sitting here, nothing.
I was out getting deep.
Were you talking deep things?
Yeah, I talked about Gagage Minawana winning.
The land of everlasting happiness?
Yep.
Oh, I thought it was called the Happy Hunting Grounds.
Well, that's what I was taught when I was a little girl, but they told me a lot of things when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Anyway, were you going to talk about Cass Lake today?
I thought I might talk a little bit about Cass Lake.
Because that's the opposite of the heaven.
No, it's not. That's heaven on earth.
Cass Lake.
Yeah.
Gagakwe Minawana winning. Or no, that's heaven. What is Cass Lake?
Gamisqua wa Kogag, the place with many red cedars.
The place with many red cedars. Oh, did we write a song about Cass Lake yet?
No, we wrote a song about Leech Lake, but not Cass Lake.
We should write a song about Cass Lake.
Yeah, maybe we will.
Anywho.
You want to take a call?
Oh, sure, we got a call. Who could be calling at this hour? Line 2?
Yep, line 2.
Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Hello, Natasha. Well, hi, Kermit. Sweetie, it's Kermit the Frog.
Hey, Kermit, how you doing?
Hello, NANABOOZHOO. I'm not doing so great, actually. What's the matter, Kermie? Well, it's Miss Piggy. She's angry again. She's angry? Well, yeah. She told me I talk too much. And then when I tried to explain myself, she said I was doing it again. And well, she hit me. Kermit! Is Miss Piggy there? Put her on the phone. No, she's not out. She's not here right now. She went out drinking again. She's out drinking. Yeah, she says she has to drink to deal with me. You know what? She's a pig. Well, but I love her. No, she's literally a pig. Why are you with her? Well, I don't know. She's helping to teach me be a better person. You're fine the way you are, Kermit. You got to get out of that relationship. This is no good. Haven't you learned anything from Johnny Depp and Amber Heard? Oh yeah, I watched that, and I just don't know. I'm scared. You're scared? Why? Well, because Miss Piggy is gonna beat me up. Listen, get out of the house now. Come stay with us for a while. And you leave Miss Piggy to me. What do you mean? Never mind what I mean. You come here. I'm going to pay little Miss Piggy a visit.
What are you doing, sweetie?
I've had it.
You can't threaten Miss Piggy on the live stream.
No, I mean it. She can't push around people I care about like that. I'm knocking her out. No, you'll just make it worse. No, I don't care. Tell her she's dead. No, please.
Honey, don't threaten Miss Piggy.
Okay. I'm sorry, Kermit. Is there anything we can do to help? This side of me wringing that fat pig's neck? Well, I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Yeah. Here's a word of the day. This is where I'm sending your girlfriend. Gagagay Menawana Gozi winning. Land of everlasting happiness. Tell Miss Piggy that's where she's going as soon as I find her. Oh no, please don't hurt my Miss Piggy. It's too late. It's not about you anymore. No, I'm just kidding. So that's Menawana Go, you know. But really, you don't need to put up with that. Well, maybe you're right. Maybe I will come visit. Yeah, come visit us, Kermie. You can stay on the couch. And, nobody needs to put up with that kind of abuse. Well, okay. Oh no, I think she's home. Kermie! Oh, that's her. I better get going. Who are you talking to? Oh no, she's mad. Never mind. Put her on the line. Oh, I gotta go. Kikawapa man, Minawa. Oh no. Okay, that was weird.
Yeah, that's a really unhealthy relationship, and I hope he gets out.
Yeah, that's messed up, man.
Would you really fight Miss Piggy?
I would fight her today. I would. I'm itching to do it. There's nobody else that I want to fight like I want to fight Miss Piggy.
Well, you can't fight Miss Piggy.
Why not?
It's illegal.
Girls don't go to jail for fighting each other.
Yeah, they do.
Miss Piggy, you watching? I'm calling you out. What? Anyway, did you want to get on your own show?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna turn the camera over to NanaBOOZHOO. But first, let's play a song for the people.
What song do we got?
We have Never Coming Back Here Again. This is Michael Lyons. This is an original Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Michael, I haven't even introduced you yet.
No, you didn't introduce anyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons.
Hey everyone, welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show. We're halfway through it. But what can you tell us about this song?
The song is called Never Coming Back Here Again.
And is it about breaking up?
It's about breaking up and never coming back here again. But I think NanaBOOZHOO sings it.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah, Michael's playing the guitar, and then you and I are singing on this.
Oh, okay. Never Coming Back Here Again. And up next, NanaBOOZHOO. No. Miigwech Bizendawi Egg. Thank you for listening.
Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends. But I'm never coming back here again. This is Never Coming Back Here Again by Michael Lyons.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long
lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. So it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, this is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
Nice. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Never coming back here again. I don't know, Michael. What? Do you kind of feel like it's a good thing that you broke up so many times? No, why? Well, because then, you know, how many songs would you have written if you had never been heartbroken? That's true. It is good material for writing songs. Mm-hmm. An artist should never be happy. Yeah, you know. You know what I'm saying, baby? Ah. Anyway, what are we talking about today?
I don't know. Heaven and beating up Miss Piggy.
Heaven and beating up Miss Piggy. Gagige Minawanagozi winning. Minawanagozi winning. Minawa. Happiness. Minawanagozi. I guess Minawanagozi winning is everlasting happiness.
Yep. And then Gagige is land. A place of.
Land of. Now, if you're not good and you choose the wrong religion, you go to the opposite of heaven. You go to Gamisqua Wakogog.
They go to Cass Lake.
Yep. Cass Lake, Minnesota, is about, 15 miles from Bemidji?
Something like that.
It's the headquarters of the Minnesota Chippewa tribe. Has their headquarters there. And it's the headquarters of the Leech Lake Indian Reservation.
The Leech Lake Indigenous Nation.
The Leech Lake Indigenous First Nation of Native American, skins. Gamisqua Wakogag. where there are many red cedars. Red Cedar Lake. Gamisqua Wakogog. Zaga Igunning. Cass Lake. Or Red Cedar. Cass Lake used to be called Red Cedar Lake. And then Lewis Cass, I've talked about him before. Fat Freemason from Michigan. Came up here and cut down all the trees and, started a town in the heart of Indian land and named it after himself. Oh, Cass Lake. Cass. But this is the problem with people from Cass Lake. Oh, you're going to get in trouble. Yeah. Today's topic will be on the problem with people from Cass Lake. Hey, Cass Lakers. Why did you roll over so easily when white people came up? Okay, I know it wasn't you, but your ancestors. I guess it'd be my ancestors too. Yeah. Why did my ancestors not put up more of a fight? We just went... Because there had to be a conversation at one point where Lewis Cass came up to one of my grandfather's grandfathers and said, or probably my grandfather's generation, who knows? I don't even know what year it was. But there must have been a conversation kind of like this. Hey, Indians, what do you call this place? And the Indians would have been like, oh, well, this is the place where there are many red cedars. We call it Gamisqua Wakogog. And then the white guy would have said, oh, really? Well, now it's called Cass Lake. And all the Indians went, oh, okay. I guess we'll call this place Cass Lake. Tell Grandma. From now on, we're calling our home Cass Lake after this. What's your name? Oh, my name is Mr. Cass. Oh, okay. Mr. Cass says our town is called Cass Lake now. And everyone was like, yeah, okay.
We're an agreeable people.
Yeah, is that it?
Yep. Indians just, we don't want to be a bother. That's why we're called Indians.
Because of the Columbus thing?
Yeah, tell them about that.
It's just like the story of Columbus and why 100% of the indigenous people, no matter what their language, what their ethnic origin or whatever, there were hundreds of different tribes of people. Like 500, I don't even know how many languages. I've heard 500, but that's probably crap. But there were dozens of indigenous languages on this continent before Columbus. And then as the story goes, Columbus... This is what's so dumb about the Columbus story again.
You're going to get yourself mad talking about Columbus.
I know, it's just so dumb. The story goes, Columbus discovered America. But then the story also says, oh, okay, he didn't actually make it to, what we think of as America. He made it to the Caribbean or the Bahamas or some other place. But whatever. So Columbus comes to America, he meets the Indians, and the story is written by some Freemason Rockefeller person that he said, oh, hey, we must be here in India. We made it. I was going to prove the earth was round. I found a passage to the Orient. And I guess we missed China or something. We hit India. But here we are. You guys are Indians, right? And the Indian people are like, what? No. We're Wampanoags or whatever they were. And Columbus is like, nah, come on. You guys are Indians, right? You got black hair. And so the word went out. Okay, I guess from now on, hey, tell Grandma and all our cousins we're gonna call ourselves Indians because this white man discovered us, and it's not polite to correct our elders. And so from that day forward, the Ojibways, the Dakota, the Navajos, the Comanche, Apache, Potawatomis, everybody decided to call themselves Indians. We will be the Indians. And there was born history.
Yep. Read your history books.
Read your history books. But that's why there's so much confusion when people say, what do you guys want to call yourselves? Because Indian isn't right, right? People are like, is that racist? It's like, what do you mean? I mean, because you're not really India. You're not from India. Yeah, I know, but it's just a term we use now. Because of Columbus. And also, there seems to be a lot of resistance with English speakers to learn other languages. Or at least with Americans.
You think so?
Yeah. You know, because they would have asked us, we would say, oh, we are the Anishinaabe. And they'd be like, wait, what? We are Anishinaabe. Chippewa? No. Okay, you can call us Chippewas. We are the Ojibwe of the Anishinaabe Nation. What? Can we just call you Indians? Yeah, go ahead. No. Actually, this word too, you know what it makes me think of, sweetie?
What's that?
The word squaw.
Yeah, me too.
There's also been a lot of discussion about the origins of the word squaw. If you look it up on Wikipedia, they say it's French screwing up an Iroquois word or something, meaning, you know, what does Cardi B call it? Let's not bring it up. But anyway. But the term squaw, my elder, Benny Tontz, Ojibwe speaker, I asked him once, I go, Benny, why do they call that town Squaw Lake? Why do they call the lake Squaw Lake? Doesn't it seem pretty rude? And he goes, no, that's short for Misquaw Lake. You know, there's a bunch of red lakes around here. You know, Misquawgamiwi, Red Lake. Or, you know, like Cass Lake is Misquawakogog. It's a red cedar lake. And then it occurred to me, I was like, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. They wouldn't name a town and a lake after a dirty word.
Right.
You know, I'm not even going to say the obvious joke. You might as well call it, you know. But then people, you know, nobody knows. So they just hear it once. They go, yeah, I guess that's the Ojibwe word for Jeed. I mean, sorry. Gamisqua, Wakogog. And if you want to say I'm from Cass Lake, you'd say Gamisqua, Wakogog, Nindonjaba. Nindonjaba is where I am from. But I don't think that's good English.
What do you mean? Well, it's Ojibwe, so yeah, it's not good English.
Yeah, no, but you're not supposed to end a sentence with a preposition.
Is that what the word from is? A preposition?
I don't know, but probably.
Okay.
I talk like I know. I'm an English major. I have no idea about stuff like this. But I think it's bad grammar to say where I am from. But in Ojibwe, that's how you do it. Gamisqua, Wakogog, Nindonjaba. Where there's many red cedars is where I am from. But la 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 la. Sequoia Hummingbird says the sea caves are in Squaw Bay, now renamed Ma'ikwe, Crying Woman Bay. Oh, Ma'ikwe. Yeah, a crying woman, Maui. But yeah, then people wanted to like change the name. But it's like, you don't have to change the name. It doesn't mean squaw. I mean, squaw doesn't mean that. But Crying Woman Bay, that sounds kind of sad too.
Crying woman.
Yeah. I like the Yoda talk. Yoda talk. Yeah. In Ojibwe, there's a lot of Yoda talk. Where there are many cedars is where I am from. Where I am from is.
Yeah.
La 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 la. Nindun Japa. Oh, excuse me.
Do you want to take a call, sweetie?
Well, I was thinking about going up to the moon.
Why don't you take a call first, and then I'll teleport you to the moon.
Okay. On line 2?
Line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hey there, little dude. It's me, Keanu Reeves. Hey, sweetie, it's Keanu Reeves. What's going on, Keanu?
Well, hi, Keanu.
Hey there, Natasha. Listen, little dude, just wanted to call in, tell you I'm watching your show, learning a lot. Learn a lot of Ojibwe.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad to hear that.
Can you tell me how to say Sunday in Ojibwe?
Yeah, I'd be happy to.
That'd be gnarly, dude.
It sure would. Anima egg, you're good. That's what we call prayer day.
Anima egg gives you good. Prayer day. Or Sunday. All right. That's pretty gnarly, dude.
Yeah. Are you a very religious person? Spiritual person, Keanu?
Oh, absolutely. Every time I go out to try to ride some tasty waves, I say a little prayer to my Creator. I say, Great Spirit, won't you help me ride these waves today? And sure enough, I ride the waves.
Well, that's great. How's your old lady?
Oh, she's doing great. I mean, she's old, and so she's nasty, and she poops her pants. But I don't even care, because I think she's beautiful. She's a beautiful artist, and she's beautiful on the inside, dude.
Oh, that's great. You want to learn some more Ojibwe?
Yeah, how do you say heaven in Ojibwe?
Well, we call it the land of everlasting happiness. Gagage Menawana Gozi winning.
Gagage Minawana Gozi winning. Land of everlasting happiness. You know where I think the land of everlasting happiness is?
Where's that?
When you're riding the waves. When you're riding some tasty waves. Hanging 10 and just being one with Lady Blue.
Lady Blue?
That's what I call the ocean, dude.
Okay. Gagage Menawana Gozi winning.
Yeah, I wanted to take my girlfriend surfing with me, but she's too old. I didn't think a person with a walker would be able to surf the waves.
Your girlfriend has a walker?
Well, not yet, but she's gonna because she's old and nasty. You want to say hi to her?
Not really.
Hey, darling, why don't you come here and be on NanaBOOZHOO's show?
Huh? What's that, honey?
I said NanaBOOZHOO wants to be on your show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hang on. Come here, darling.
What's that, honey?
It's NanaBOOZHOO.
Hello, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend.
Hello, darling. Are we on the TVs?
You're on YouTube. You're on a live stream podcast. You've been on it many times.
Well, I just don't remember. Why says all this now?
My name's NanaBOOZHOO, and I'm on a live stream podcast. I teach Ojibwe language and culture.
Ojibwe what? Oh, you're Indian?
Yep, I'm an Indian.
Oh, I don't like the Indians.
You don't like Indians?
No, they're nasty and they're godless and I poop myself.
Oh, NanaBOOZHOO, I better go. My racist girlfriend wants to poop her pants. I gotta clean her diaper.
Okay. I didn't know she was racist.
Nah, she doesn't like Indians. She calls you guys salves.
Oh, fair enough. All right, well, hey, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa.
Well, Gigawabamin, Minawa, little dude.
That was weird.
Yeah, what did she say?
I guess Keanu Reeves' girlfriend doesn't like natives.
Well, she's old.
Yeah, you gotta give these people from her generation a pass. They grew up at a time where there's a lot of just casual racism, the World War II stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I was thinking about going up to the moon.
You want to go to the moon? Give a little talk about the moon? Mama Aki?
Mama Aki is Mother Earth.
Oh, yeah. I mean, Dybbuk Jesus?
Dybbuk Jesus, the moon. Grandmother moon.
What is grandmother?
Nokomis.
Nokomis Dybbuk Jesus.
Nokomis Dybbuk Jesus. It is grandmother, the night sun.
Okay. Well, all right. You ready?
I am ready, sweetie.
One to teleport to the moon.
Make it so. Number 1. Wow. The moon. Oh, look at that. And thousands of miles away from the Earth.
Bloop. BOOZHOO!
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hi, NanaBOOZHOO. Did you make it to the moon okay?
Yep. I'm standing on the moon. What is it, like 400 some thousand miles away?
I can never remember. It's some ridiculous number.
Yeah. Well, let's see. If the sun's supposed to be 93 million miles away, and the moon is 1/400th of that. Right?
I think that's how it works. The moon is 400 times closer and smaller than the sun.
Yeah. I don't know. But anyway, I made it okay.
All right, give me a call when you want me to pick you up.
I sure will.
Roger that. Over and out.
Over and out. Bloop. So yeah, I thought I'd come up here on the moon. Check it out. See what's going on. Maybe I should say a little prayer on this prayer day. I'm always surprised when you actually get up here to the moon. You know, the gray moon you always see in photos. That it's not brighter. I don't even need sunglasses. But when I was looking at the moon last night from Earth, it was really bright. It was bright, lit up, And so you would assume it would be bright up here. But I guess not. It's just gray kitty litter. Osema. Kichimanadu. Daga Odapanan Niwi Osema. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Odapanan Niwi Osema. Dybbuk Jesus, accept my tobacco. Nighttime sun. Miigwech. Kaiji kakinagego kaiji chikea nungong. Thank you for everything you do today. Apehenge. I wonder how many people have put out tobacco on the moon. I'm guessing none. I mean, except for me. But, it is weird how little they talk about when they allegedly went to the moon. I heard there was a movie coming out where they're finally going to do a movie on like Apollo 11. And you go, wait, what? Haven't they done a movie yet about the first time they landed on the moon? So nope. They've only done a movie with Tom Hanks. He's in all the government movies, all the propaganda movies. They've done one real space movie, allegedly. There's thousands of science fiction movies about space and about the moon and about Mars and about Star Trek, whatever. But there's only been one movie about NASA. And actually lately, there was one movie for most of my life called Apollo 13. And Tom Hanks played an astronaut who was, it was supposed to be a history movie about the one mission that had some trouble returning from the moon. Apollo 13. They almost didn't make it. All the other ones, the other 6 manned missions to the moon in 3 years, went off without a hitch. Nobody died. Nobody went to the bathroom, not even once. I mean, they pooped in their own spacesuits, but there was no bathroom on any of the space ships. Astronauts all go to the poop themselves in those spacesuits. Remember that next time you're looking up to Neil Armstrong. Buzz Aldrin. But the moon and the earth. So in Ojibwe, we just call those lights in the sky, the moon and the sun, we call it the sun and the nighttime sun. The Gizus and the nighttime Gizus. And the Bible says the moon and the sun were put in the sky on the same day. One to rule the day and one to rule the night. Now science says the sun was made billions of years before the earth. Science says the moon was somehow broke off from the earth, like a meteor or something hit the earth, and then gravity made the moon turn into a perfect sphere, and gravity reshaped the earth to not show a missing chunk of moon, apparently. But I feel like I've been blinded by science. I couldn't even see, reality because of science. Like, will this blow your mind? If I said to you, stars are smaller than the sun, and the earth is bigger than the sun and the stars. Most of my life I would have been, no, that's just backwards. But if you don't think about science and you judge for your own eyes what is real, the stars are little lights. The sun and the moon are the exact same size, and they're closer than the stars, but not by much. And they're much bigger than the stars, obviously. Obviously, a moon, by your eyes, is bigger than any star, and so is the sun. And by just looking, obviously, there are smaller things that move around the earth, which is much, much, much bigger than both the sun and the moon and the stars. But they blinded me with science until I thought the sun was bigger than the moon and the earth was bigger than the moon, but the sun was bigger than the earth and stars are bigger than all of us. They blinded me with science. La-di-da-di-da-da-dum. Ho-ka-hey-hey. I also like how NASA, in their stories of what they do, they have great inventions that they don't take credit for, but also don't release to the public. Like in the 60s, they invented a suit, allegedly, that could both heat and cool to human temperature from hundreds of degrees. They said the moon was like 200 some degrees, like as hot as the inside of an oven in the sunlight. You could just bake a chicken on the moon in the sunlight. It was so hot. But it was okay because the astronauts had spacesuits with a pack on the back and they had air conditioning to keep them from burning up. And at night, when the sun wasn't heating the moon to hundreds of degrees above whatever, it was freezing it, way colder than anything in the earth. But no problem. Astronauts had a spacesuit with a pack. They could click the shift, whatever. And now it's heating with no exhaust. Did it perfectly, like, you know how great a spacesuit would be on Earth if you were like a snowmobiler or something? A snowmobile suit that could heat. and go underwater. Whatever, you know. But so NASA invented these things. They have them for themselves, but they're not going to share them with anybody in the Earth. Just like the space shuttle or the International Space Station. If you believe in the International Space Station, you have to believe that NASA invented solar paneled energy that can heat and cool a vessel up in the sky that's flying, or explain that one, NASA. Are they outside of gravity? But requires no fuel on the International Space Station. To lights, air conditioning, heating, plumbing, all that through nothing but solar panels. And going thousands of miles an hour. Twice as fast as a bullet is what, I forget what the thing is. So NASA is constantly, but it's a spell we're under. We're all been hypnotized by NASA. Because something in us doesn't want to hear that they lied to us. When you first hear somebody say, oh yeah, no, that's crap. They never went to the moon. Oh yeah, no, this International Space Station, that's a lie too. Most people are like, what? No, come on. They don't lie about that. It's like, yeah. They lied about 100% of everything they do. None of it's real. It's like asking how much of Walt Disney is actually real. Okay, but where does Bugs Bunny, or what's his name, Mickey Mouse live? It's like, no, it's not real. But they'll censor you if you talk about it too much. So I try not to talk about it. Because I'm just trying to get along, Too much division in the world. That's why I like to come up here in the silence of space. Oh, what do you know? There are no stars. That's right. That's the other thing. NASA can invent everything except a camera that can take pictures of stars. They're the only people who can't take pictures of stars. They can take a picture of the Earth from the moon. That's what this thing is called. Anyway. It was also dumb. But I better go back. It's getting late.
Bloop. BOOZHOO!
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home?
Yep.
All right, hang on. Ground control to Major Tom.
Okay.
When to teleport.
Make it so, number one.
Hey, welcome home.
Thank you very much.
How was the moon?
Oh, just beautiful.
Was it?
Yeah, and what a view. So what do you think?
You want to call it a show?
Yeah, we should get to bed.
Okay.
Hey, everybody. I think it's time for us to call it a day.
It's time to call it a show.
Let's call it a show. Do you want to add anything? No, that's great. Hey, can you remind them of the books? Oh, sure. If you'd like to support the show, you can support us at Patreon, PayPal, or Patreon. Michael. Sorry. Or, what is it? GoFundMe. Oh, yeah, GoFundMe. We also have a GoFundMe. The links are in the description below. And Michael Lyons has books for sale. Ojibwe language books and comics for sale at Amazon.com. Comics like Grief Relief. The best comic on grief that Michael Lyons has ever illustrated. Yeah. And what do you think, sweetie?
I think that's good.
All right. Hey, everyone. Miigwech Bizendawiag. Thank you for listening. We'll be back tomorrow at, should we do it morning?
Yeah, let's come on early in the morning.
All right, we'll be right back first thing in the morning. But miigwech bizendawieg, thank you for listening. Dash miigwech ganawabieg, and thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
You don't even know who you are anymore.
See, I'm getting tired. I am NANABOOZHOO. This over here is Natasha.
Bonjour, everybody. Thanks for watching.
This over here is Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. And I will see you again. Gawabamen Minowa. Sweetie pie.
One to teleport.
See you tomorrow morning. Make it so, number one.
Nah.